Welcome to Kratos BI. My name is Chris Wagner, and today we're going to be going through the Data Visualization Guide overview brought to you by DataTale. Before we get into that, I want to thank Warren Dean over at DataTale. He put this together to help his clients and customers understand how they should be using data visualizations. He reached out to me and we began talking, and we thought, it'd be great if we brought these together to create a visualization guide that was better with both of our stuff together. So super excited to be bringing this together. What I really like about this is it creates a roadmap of all the visuals. So when a user comes in, they can just start to get in and understand where each visual exists on these roadmaps. Please remember, this is something that, Warren and I do on our spare time for free. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you'll even turn on alarm bells so that you get notified every time I publish content. And you'll also, in this case, you head over to LinkedIn or you head over to Warren's channel and you connect with Warren. Make sure you subscribe his content as well. All of the links are down below. Let's head over to my desktop and let's take a look at it. Okay, so data visualization guide designed to be deployed right out into your organization. So it's built inside a Power BI desktop. All we do to see this new, the new hexagon, the new overview that Warren has, make sure you go out and download the latest version that's now up there. Control click will take you through if you're in the desktop. Just clicking will take you through once it's deployed out into the service. But you now have this nice snap that can run you through everything that's inside of the visual. For example, you can see that we've got all these different maps, how they fit in. You can talk about the different relations up there. This is a good view for you to understand the entire landscape of visuals as they exist inside of Power BI. So as you start to navigate in and you start to navigate around, you can easily find the visuals that you're looking for when you're trying to tell a different piece of the story. All right. Just some new functionality that's out there. Thank you, Warren, for helping us bring it together. Really excited about this. Now, please go out to KratosBI.com, download the latest version of the data visualization guide, deploy that out into your service, and you'll be good to go. All right. Thanks, everybody. You guys have a great day. Peace.